Oh, hello, welcome.
Hey.
Hi.
Ooh, I smell something very nice.
Does it smell good?
Yeah. Is it you?
Right.
Not my body, right?
I think it's me.
Eh?
No. Guys, today I'm going to need your help for something very important. I have an upcoming workshop on perfume and I'll need you guys to help me do some tests. We are going to be making ourselves a bottle of perfume. Okay, and we want to test and see how long it lasts. We're going to do a very simple experiment to understand what is this idea of notes. Your task is to guess what is in this mystery blend. There are 3 different kind of scents. So I have 4 bottles over here. So it's 3 out of 4 of these bottles. Okay, we need to also identify which one come out first and then which one come out the last. Because they are not going to come out in the same time, and this is for you guys to find out.
I like the mask.
I can smell the neroli.
I
I can
think
smell the sage.
will not have
Okay.
vanilla. It smell very like milky kind, which this one, the mystery one don't have.
I think I agree. Don't have the vanilla.
You guys are correct! Alright, yay! Do you guys notice which was the scent that you smell first?
I feel
Smell.
like this was a smell.
Was it neroli?
Yeah.
I thought Clary sage came out first.
I think Clay is the first thing that came to my mind,
okay.
but not the mask.
The mask cannot really smell.
The mask is the
Mask.
last one.
I think you guys make very good observations. Actually, the first one that you can detect is the top note, which is neroli. The second one that will actually come out is clary sage. So clary sage is a hard note or a middle note. Sometimes people will say that, why clary sage come out first? Because this one actually smells stronger than neroli. As you guys have correctly mentioned, mask actually comes out the last because this is the base note. So base note typically will take a while longer before you can actually detect the scent.
Oh, I like the
Ooh,
sweeter
violet.
smell.
Ooh, grapefruit.
Some of them smell sweet, some of them smell pretty strong.
Yeah, I prefer something sweet.
Yeah.
But you didn't like the vanilla
wait.
just now?
No, vanilla is just powdery.
You
It's
do
not
the
sweet.
ethanol now
Mask
and
is
then
sweeter.
smell. The ethanol evaporates. So never mind.
So do you know why we need carrier oil?
So that you can carry it around with you.
Exactly, so you can carry the oil. Yeah, there you go. No, it's actually more to carry the scent so that it can hopefully help to last a little bit longer. No.
This smells like medicine.
Medicine
Yeah.
is grapefruit.
What's the purpose of ethanol?
Ethanol also helps to carry the scent because it's the one that evaporates, right? And then when it evaporates, the scent will be carried along.
So
That's
I
how it
add more
smells.
lah.
So it means if you add more ethanol, right, the scent will come out a bit stronger.
About 5, but it's not those very overwhelming kind.
I would give it a 4. I think it's about a 9 or a 10 right now because yeah, the lavender is really strong.
2 out of 10? Yeah, it's really not that strong.
0. Maybe because when we go toilet, wash our hands, soap all these things, they'll be gone. That caviar oil thing, maybe I need to put more so that the smell will stay. Yeah.
I can't smell any of the clary sage and all the other smells, but I can only smell vanilla. So I'll give it a 2. I would say a 1 out of 10.
Except to say that I do not smell anything anymore. All the scent has probably vaporized. If you want to experiment more with perfumes, be sure to check out the descriptions or the comments below.
And maybe you get to see our handsome Cheng in person too.
Don't forget to like, share,
And subscribe. Bye-bye. Bye.